This is the Braun Series 9 Pro electric shaver, and Braun says it'll give you a killer shave in just a couple of minutes. But after putting it through its paces, I found some things the ads don't mention. Is it really worth your hard-earned cash? Stick around. I'll spill the verdict you won't want to skip. Braun Series 9 Pro Electric Shaver. Product Overview. Okay, what exactly are we talking about? The Braun Series 9 Pro is Braun's premium foil shaver, made in Germany and released over the past year, think late 2023 into 2024. It's pitched at folks who want a fast, close, and comfortable shave, especially busy professionals or everyday carry enthusiasts. The headlining feature? A 4-element shaving system with a Pro Lift trimmer and sonic vibrations, designed to handle up to 7-day stubble with minimal tug or burn. Braun Series 9 Pro Electric Shaver Performance. Specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel? I used it every morning on both my face and occasionally on my head. It kicked into gear fast, and even on lighter stubble, it didn't feel like I was fighting a gazillion passes. The sonic vibrations and AutoSense tech just glide through. Shaves are close, almost like a wet razor. Tech Gear Lab called it among our favorites for irritation-free results. In practice, I shaved after skipping a couple days, some of that 5 to 7 day growth, and it cut through effortlessly. Tech Radar even dubbed it the Bugatti Veyron of shavers. High praise for smooth performance. But heads up, at higher power levels, it's noticeably louder than your bargain basement razors. So if you like stealth quiet gear, this might surprise you. Features and tech. 1. Pro Lift trimmer plus direct and cut plus foils. The 4-element setup plus skin guard means it lifts stubborn hairs and slices them in one go. Braun claims it handles 1 to 7 day stubble, and honestly, it lived up to that promise. 2. Sonic technology and AutoSense. 40,000 micro vibrations per minute help hair stand up and get cut closer, while the shaver auto-tunes its motor to thicker beard spots. What matters? Less tug, smoother glide. You don't feel a battle, you just feel clean. 3. Pivoting glide head and lock switch. The head swings about 20 degrees each way, and you can lock it into positions for tricky contours. Tech Gear Lab praised how well it stays close to your jawline and neck. 4. SmartCare cleaning station optional. Drop the shaver in, hit clean, and it washes, dries, and lubricates automatically. Men's Health called it a game changer for upkeep, and during Prime Day, it was highlighted for making maintenance as easy as it gets. Design and build. On the looks and feel, it's a clean, modern aesthetic, lightweight but solid with rubberized grip zones placed just right for wet or dry use. Men's Health described it as luxury and shockingly light but hefty enough. It's 100% waterproof. Yes, you can use it in the shower. And even though the faux leather travel case is sleek, some reviews note it doesn't fit the charger neatly, which is a bit annoying if you're a frequent traveler. Pros. Super close and smooth shaves even on 5 to 7 day stubble. Fast and intuitive performance with sonic and AutoSense tech. Premium ergonomic build with waterproof design. Smart cleaning station streamlines maintenance. Set and forget. Cons. On the pricey side, especially with accessories. A bit noisier than quieter models. Travel case lacks charger compartment, which may bug road warriors. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? If you're someone who cares about a fast, clean shave without irritation, maybe you're juggling work, workouts, or travel, the Braun Series 9 Pro is a no-brainer. It's like a luxury time saver in your bathroom routine. On the flip side, if you're budget-minded or need ultra-quiet operation, a cheaper foil or a rotary shaver might serve just fine. And if you're already happy with your Series 9, you could upgrade just the cassette head later instead of buying whole new, saving some cash while gaining performance. Bottom line, it's a high-end pick for people who shave regularly and value efficiency, comfort, and long-term reliability. If that's you, this is money well spent and worth every penny.